Tongliao City in North China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region has been walloped by the strongest snowstorm ever recorded, with 5 local meteorological stations reporting the maximum daily snowfall in decades, local authorities said Monday. From last Friday to Monday, 28 local weather stations had logged precipitation of more than 30 mm, while the maximum snowfall in the city reached 65 cm. Most of the city's primary and middle schools and kindergartens have suspended classes. The airport has been shut down, and expressways are subject to temporary traffic control measures. The local government has dispatched snow removal vehicles to work 24 hours a day. Electricity, heating, and water departments have taken measures to ensure the normal life of residents. Community cadres and volunteers are also mobilized to clear snow on the main roads and sidewalks.
我们大屏幕显示的是供电服务资源管控系统。我们通过信息采集模块监测设备故障情况。